For all Tesla car owners or aspiring owners, there's been some new development, which, if it materializes, may become a turning point for Tesla. It turns out the trillion-dollar giant company is looking to expand its in-car games collection through a Steam integration. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed this on the 15th of July 2022 in a tweet, which says, "We're making progress with Steam integration. Demo probably coming next month." Steam is a massive gaming platform with over 50,000 games, including the famous Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Tesla cars are known for their luxurious and high-end items, with trivial and non-trivial gizmos and gadgets. The car can dance, to say the least, so it isn't surprising that these electric and clean energy vehicles have video games integration. These video games are viewed on the car's internal screens and have accounts dedicated to them. Up until now, the in-car games are featured on the inbuilt Tesla arcade and include popular ones like Sonic the Hedgehog 1, Solitaire, Chess, and Cuphead. Now, the company is steering towards Steam, which will take the in-car games to a new level. It may seem unfathomable, but Tesla boasts up to 10 teraflops of processing power, which is on par with the latest consoles, so the Steam integration is highly possible and feasible. This news was met with lots of reactions and headlines as expected when it comes to anything associated with the Tesla CEO. Some reactions were positive, some negative, and some curiosity. Some reactions were met with skepticism, considering Elon Musk promised to add The Witcher and Cyberpunk 2077 to the X and S vehicles' newer models. There's been no show on both games despite the vehicles having AMD Ryzen processors and discrete AMD RDNA 2 GPU. Though these games are highly intensive graphic games, so it felt like it was all talk. Perhaps with the Steam integration, this could become a reality. Now, those who love to spend time in their Teslas can have more reasons to do so. Plus, game lovers that have been wishing for certain games can now have access to them too in their Tesla. There's no detail about the features of the Steam integration, so we don't know if users can make purchases on the platform while in their cars, or if there will be unsupported games. What we do know is that regardless of how excited any player can be, there would be no gameplay while driving. Last year in December, Tesla faced criticisms from the NHTSA, that's the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, for policies flip-flop. The electric car company first allowed drivers to only play games after parking, but changed to allow drivers to play while they were in motion through a safety confirmation bypass. Due to the backlash, Tesla has reverted this policy, so no playing games while driving. There's information that Tesla would hold a shareholder meeting between now and next month, so Elon Musk may want to share the Steam integration there, rather than immediately rolling it out. Regardless of what happens, it's surely exciting, and the coming weeks will have people anticipating what is to come. And that's it for this video. What do you think about the Steam integration for Tesla cars? Thank you for watching until the end.